it's going to happen in 3 phases. The first 2 weeks, the second 4 weeks, the third 6 weeks, okay? Weeks is the elbow slide. And this is where, just like you see Olivia here, she's got her elbow down on the table, her thumbs up, okay? You're not sliding your hand, you're sliding your elbow. And you're trying to get a stretch in this area here, okay? So where you should feel it is through this area here, okay, guys? And you do a nice stretch, and you just keep stretching it all the way down. You got this. All right. Number one is I want you to go home, and I want you to lie in bed like you see Olivia doing here. And when you lie on your side, you got to put a pillow underneath your elbow. Otherwise, you will hyperextend your shoulder. It'll be very uncomfortable after surgery. So you put a pillow beneath your arm like you see here. And everything is with your thumbs up like you see here, okay? And the first 2 weeks, you're going to do passive range of motion, which means you're going to have somebody, your husband, your boyfriend, your whoever, somebody at home, take your arm. And the key thing is to keep the one hand underneath the elbow, underneath the arm, above the elbow, and the other hand gently cupping the forearm like this. And then you're going to take the arm, you're going to do it just like this with the thumbs up, and you're going to gently move the shoulder like this, okay? You're just gently going to keep it limber, and you're not trying to hurt yourself, you're just trying to go to where it's comfortable. And day 1 will be different than day 3, and then different than day 5. And you're just trying to get more and more range of motion each day, okay? And if it gets sore, you can go ahead and relax. If it gets sore, take a day off. It's not a big deal, especially in the first 2 weeks, okay? You're going to do the same exercise, and this time you're going to do actively, which means you're going to do it, not with having somebody else do it. And so go ahead, Olivia, and you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go as far as you can go. That's right. That's comfortable. And you're going to keep going. And people will ask me, how many times do I do it? Well, you do it as many as is comfortable. All right? And that should be a moving target. Each time you do it, it should be more and more reps, every couple of days, okay? That's what you do starting at 2 weeks. You convert from passive range of motion where somebody else is doing it to active range of motion, all right? So when you start at week 2, okay, you can start with the pulley exercises, and you see how Olivia has her thumb up. And a lot of times people will do pulleys in different ways. I like it with a thumb up, okay? So you're going to have that thing like this, and you're going to basically let it come down, keep your elbow straight. That's it. Yep, keep your elbow straight and let it come down. Yeah, that's it. That's how I want the pulleys done, with a thumbs up and going just like this. That's how I want you to do the pulleys. And you do that starting at week 2, and you'll do that for 6 weeks, okay? And you should feel that stretch just like when you were lying down. You got to go ahead and go up, Liv. And you should feel that stretch right through this muscle here. Your latissimus dorsi is where you should really feel that stretch when you're doing that, okay, guys? We got this. All right. Week is what I call mirror exercises. So again, the thumbs are forward. You're going to go and raise it yourself. And this is where you're going to do it. And the key thing is you're going to avoid bad movement patterns where see how the elbow is facing down. You're going to try not to do this kind of stuff. A lot of you guys have bad movement patterns from having a bad shoulder for a long time. You're going to keep it where you got normal movement patterns like you see Olivia doing here. Okay? You got this. Good. Finally, after you've done that for about 4 to 6 weeks, okay, you're going to move to what we call the Fabulous 6. The Fabulous 6 is a strengthening program I have online. The link is here below, okay? And I want you to start easy. Again, there's not a magical number of reps. There's not a magical number of weight. If I get a 5-foot person and a 6'5" person, they're different numbers. The point is, start low, listen to your body, and you'll stay out of trouble, okay? You do that exercise program, the Fabulous 6, for 6 weeks. After that, do what you want.